Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this lightning storm. Alright, the question of the day is, what is the largest storm ever in history? Alright, let's run through the colors. Quin red, pearly red, primary yellow, red oxide, yellow ochre, phthalo green, twin blue, phthalo blue, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to do a painting of lightning. Alright, we got our first layer in. We got a nice sky here with this dark purple into a lighter purple into a kind of a, I don't know what color blue this is. With the pink highlights is where the kind of the lightning's coming out of these two areas here. And then we have these reflection here forming here, and you're going to have that, well, this is the lower sky, so we're going to have the lightning carry through to that. We're going to have the reflection of the lightning here with the darker sea kind of creeping in. And we got this nice two-tone on the horizon. I've used a little bit of tone difference. I might actually add a slight highlight on just to break that horizon out, but it kind of looks okay, I think, as is. And so we'll fill this in and kind of redefine or fine-tune some of the clouds so they look a little more cleaner, a little more differentiation between at the smaller detail level. And then hopefully add the lightning, but that might be in the third layer, so we'll see. largest storm was called Typhoon Tip, and it was in 1979. It was literally double the size of the last large storm, which was 700 miles in diameter. This one was 1,380 miles across, so that was basically half the United States it would have covered, and it was going at speeds of 160 miles an hour, and obviously extremely dangerous. The temperature inside was 86 degrees, but yeah, it had this crazy circumference. And yeah, that's the largest storm in the world. All right, we just finished the paint. Let's take a closer look. So we have this really nice blue in the background for the sky, and then the dark clouds kind of hovering over with this kind of fade to kind of a pink and then an orange on top of the lightning, which goes into the sea, and then the sea transitions all the way through with the lightning, which I carry for. The sea is kind of this, let me flip it, I can't see anything. It's this dark green, blue in the background, almost a black sea. It's got this red highlights, which is kind of weird in the photo, but I just went with it. I don't know, I think maybe they used a filter maybe in the photo, so it's a little strange, I think. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to stick to that. Everything went really well with this painting. I think it turned out really well. It has a really nice balance with the lightning straight up the middle, off to the side a little bit. I probably could have done this slightly more off to the left to kind of balance it, but I just wanted to kind of have a natural feel to the lightning. I didn't want to kind of, draw it with, weird kind of thinking about the composition per se, but kind of a natural feel to how the lightning would flow. Overall, I think it's pretty good. It has this nice triangle with the cloud, the two cloud formations, the major ones. You also have that nice break point at about, I don't know if it's at the 2/3 line, but it's about right where the horizon is. So I added that break line with little mountains or something in the background, so it creates that really nice division between the painting, although it obviously is there already with the colors different. Yeah, overall I'm really satisfied. I think it turned out really well. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below, and check out Patreon for my full version, guys. Thanks for watching.